this vehicle can go to places like marshlands, desert areas, mountainous terrain,
Floods.
and this is primarily used for flood rescue operations. This can run for 65 hours without any refueling, and it has got 330 liters of fuel tank and dual battery for redundancy.
How many you have released as of now?
Sorry, sir?
How many you have produced?
How many
We
vehicles?
have
vehicles.
already produced 124, sir. 96 are running
124
with the
is
Indian Army,
available.
with Air Force as well. They're also being operated in UN missions, sir.
So for any civilian application?
Yes, sir. For civil application,
Punjab
for
floods.
rescue and
Only
relief
Punjab.
operations.
But Punjab also
Government.
given from only from army only, na sir?
No,
No, no, no.
Punjab government also taken.
Government has taken.
Disaster.
Our disaster management will take one of
It is
And what is the cost of this
So
vehicle?
this is 1.8 CR, excluding GST.
Any export you're making now, ma'am?
Not yet, sir. We are manufacturing it for India.
Sir, you have to do an export unit here, sir. Export manufacturing unit.
No.
Where you, manufacturing where you are doing?
We're
Chandigarh.
in Chandigarh, sir. Sir.
We'll work it out.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
right. Thank you, sir. And sir,
So this is one model of that.
Photography here, sir. Yes.
Yeah, brother.
దాని మీదనా?
Oh, yes, sir, please.
Come.
Just mind this, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the.
Put our foot here? Or no?
yes, sir. You can do it.
It doesn't have that.
Conventional steering system, it operates with this.
Okay.
Yes, and when you have to turn the vehicle, you can knock the one side and it simply rotates with the turns.
This
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And it has got 98 liters of fuel tank, sir. Plus it has got 58 liters of additional fuel canister in each wheel.
What
So
is
this
this? What is the speed?
What is it? The speed is 45 kilometers per hour.
Maximum speed.
1 kilometer is 5 kilometers per hour.
So the speciality of this is that the tire is air pressurized, and the engine is producing the air, and continuously the air is going to the tire. So if it goes, if a man's foot is there, the tire can go on it and nothing will happen. You will not feel it. It is so soft because the air goes out, and then as it becomes full, then again it. That's why it can climb any stone, anything, and it is like that. Am I right?
Yes, you're right, sir. It's got ultra low pressure tires.
Ultra low pressure.
And it doesn't require any special preparation when it moves from one surface to the other. As in from the land to the water, we simply have to reduce the tire pressure by just sitting here in the cabin, and then it is ready to float in the water. That is why it could save those lives in Punjab region.
Okay, good. Very nice. Good experience for us.
Así es con él. I'm good.
Go there, show the cars. So these are the new cars that we are manufacturing. This is MG Magister. This is a